Hello internet people. In this video I'll explain 5 reasons why getting a free website is probably a waste of your time.
And if you do not listen, then the hell with you.
Tips with punch. This video might be strange coming from me since I just made a video about how to set up a free website. I don't know your situation and I wanted to show how to make a free website the right way. However, in most cases you shouldn't bother with the free domain and hosting and instead go with the paid services. Alright, what do I mean with a free website? Well, this includes services such as blogger.com, wordpress.com, wix.com or any standalone websites built on top of free hosting and free domain. So basically anything that creates a subdomain under their services like myblog.cf or a free domain like myblog.cf built with a free hosting. Now, I'm not saying these services are bad in general. I'm just saying you should consider the paid options instead of wasting time with the free ones. The first reason is that in most cases you won't be able to monetize your website or blog. Most free services state in their terms and conditions that you have to stay as non-profit or that they can advertise on your site without you getting a dime. So you can't make money from your website. So you won't be able to do this. I use my Monopoly money to do the same thing. The second reason is the lack of credibility. Having a free domain like .cf or .ga or a wix.com at the end of your URL is incredible. Not for your users and neither is it for Google. Since you will probably rely on Google traffic to drive users to your site, it's important to know that Google gives less priority to these. Thus, you might put a lot of work for little reward. So let's take a look how that works in real life. So here's your website, just gaining some users, running forward, and out of nowhere, Google comes in. And you're rejected and out of business. The third reason is that spammers are on the same shared server. Even worse than having a Google giving you less priority is that Google will penalize your website for spam activities. This can happen since you're sharing your website with other free domains and hostings. This means if few of those websites are used for spam, your site might end up on the spam list too because you share the same server. Let's take a look how that looks in reality. Here's your website, and there's the spammers. The fourth reason is that you get limited customer service. In most cases, the customer service will be non-existing. If you need some help with your server, you will have to wait for a while or don't get it at all. Now, I know that some paid services aren't that good either. But at least you have the community to help out with basic issues. With free services, there's nobody there to help you. And if there is, the conversation goes like this. Hi, I need some help. It seems my server is down.
I need some money. Immediately.
But I haven't even said what's the problem. And why do you have that music in the background? And the last reason is slow website. Basically, you get a very low bandwidth on your server. If you're using free hosting, the chances are that your website is really slow to load. This is because your free account only receives a small portion of the available power, and slow websites mean that your users won't stick around. Free services don't have any obligation to keep running your site. They might choose to switch it off temporarily or shut down completely. And if that happens, this is what happens to your computer. Because of the 5 reasons that I just mentioned, I think putting any effort in free services is a waste of time. If you're serious about your website and you want to succeed in long term, consider investing in paid services. Not only you get more out of it, you will also motivate yourself to work on the website, since you're paying for it anyway. Don't have much money? No problem. You're probably asking yourself, well, what can I do if I don't have much money to invest in a website? Now, I'm myself with GoDaddy and I'm about to transition to HostPapa. Both of these and plenty other hosting providers give heavy discounts to first-timers. I think you can get started with $2 to $5 a month, depending on which provider you choose. And if you're interested in this, a video that compares popular alternatives appears on your screen now. And I'll leave more information in the description. My name is Robert, and if you're looking to master the digital world while getting entertained, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button and find the bell icon so that you get notified about new videos. Here are 2 videos that I think you would like to see. In the first one, you will learn how to choose the right hosting provider, and in the second one, a step-by-step guide for setting up a WordPress website. Whoosh!